Yes, it is. How can I help you?
I was calling to see if I could get a price quote.
Okay, can you call me back?
Huh?
Oh,
What do you say?
what
Yes, what's that?
was that at the end there?
Alright, you guys, so what we're going to do today is we're going to cold call some shops to see exactly how well people are answering the phone, see how fast they're answering the phone, and see how well people are overcoming objections when I object to them. Now, this is all designed to help us level up as an industry. I might just ask them, like, I'm calling around. It seems like all prices are very similar. Why should I choose you? I'm always really curious to know if a shop knows why a customer should choose them. And if we're left to differentiate the shops as a customer, we're most likely going to use the price. So let's go ahead and dial some numbers here.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Okay, unfortunately we didn't get an answer there. Having trouble getting a hold of someone, so...
Hello?
Hey, is this...
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
I was calling to see if I could get a price quote.
Okay, can you call me back on unlocked number? Thank you.
Huh?
What did he say?
Call back from an unlocked number, thank you? What the hell?
That was
savage.
Hello?
Is this...
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
Can I get a price quote?
Yes, you can. What is the year and model?
It's a Tesla Model 3.
So we offer the 3M ceramic IR. It's going to be $650 for all the doors and the back window.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
Right. So literally didn't ask any questions as to why I wanted it done. Didn't try to close. I didn't even have to object to him. Okay, I was hoping he'd say, yeah, what are you looking for? So that I could say, oh, I was looking for a better price or whatever. I didn't even have to object because he just let me off the phone without trying to figure out more about my situation or more about what I wanted. So didn't answer the phone, you guys, with his business at all. Everyone thinks it's so hard to stand out, but yet all you have to do is answer the phone in a unique way, have the ability to overcome objections, build some rapport. We're going to be calling the 4th shop right now, and not one person has asked me why I'm getting it done, what I'm looking for. Well, now it makes it more challenging for me to put your 3 prices up against this 1 price. So far, the 3 shops I've called have all given me 1 price. Now, my suggestion is to try to learn enough about the customer and sell them on coming down to the shop. In best case scenario, you don't have to give a price at all. And here's the thing. If I was answering the phone and these guys were my competition, I'm very confident that I can sell you, the customer, on just coming down to the shop. Oh, you saw our reviews? Oh, okay, cool. You got referred by a friend? Well, let me tell you this. We pride ourselves on having something for every budget. So I'm confident that we're the right shop for you. Why don't you do this? Why don't you come down and let's talk about all the different films we have, and we can select the film that works best for you.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying
No
to reach
professional
is not available.
voicemail.
At the
Right, how may I help you today?
I was wondering if I could get a price quote on having a car tinted.
Alright, so is this your vehicle would qualify for our 7 window special we currently have going on? So it would be $249 for the entire vehicle besides the front windshield.
Okay, and what type of film is that for?
So it's going to be our in-house brand. It is a ceramic material and it does offer lifetime warranty. Would you like me to help you book an appointment?
I want to keep calling around and get some other prices, but that sounds pretty good. I'll probably be giving you a call back.
Yeah, for Cisco Chair, we do offer some additional services as well, such as chrome building, also paint protection, film, and glass repair or replacement, just in case you're ever in need down the road. We hope to hear from you soon.
Okay, so I think there was improvement there as far as the fact that she asked for the sale. She simply said, can I get you booked for an appointment? And I said no. She didn't ask what I was looking for. So what I would have done from there is I would have said, if you don't mind me asking, what exactly are you looking for? Are you looking for the cheapest thing possible? Because they quoted me $249 for everything except the front windshield. That's extremely cheap. From my perspective, if I was working at that shop, it's like, if you're not happy with that price, what are you looking for? Because that is rock bottom dirt cheap. Hey, I was calling to see if I could get a price quote.
Sure, for what car?
Honda Accord?
Okay. Any old tin on there?
No.
No? Okay. Something like that, you'd be looking at around 240 all around except the front windshield.
Everything but the windshield 240?
Mm-hmm.
Cool, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Bye. as we can see, we need training in the industry, and that's exactly what I want to help people do. First off, just answering the phone unique, you guys. If you've been watching the Tint Institute for an extended period of time, I'm sure you've heard my phone script. Thank you for choosing. How can I best serve you? The tonality is super important. Asking for the close. Literally just asking, do you mind if I get you scheduled for an appointment? I'd love to earn your business. If anyone said that, they would be a standout. Everyone's just okay with getting off the phone, and it gives the feeling as if they don't really want the business. So, it's amazing how many people say they're struggling and want to keep their shop fuller, but yet they don't do the basics. The basics is getting better on the phone. Why is that a basic? Because it's free. Is it easy? No, but it's free. It's something you can put 10, 15 minutes a day into practicing and get better. I'm thinking I might open up a shop in the Bay Area. Let's see. 864.9 star reviews.
Okay.
Good afternoon. Thanks for calling.
Hey, I was calling to see if I could get a price quote.
Sure. Give me 1 second, sir.
Thanks for holding. How can I help you?
Yeah, can I please get a price quote? Hello?
Yeah. What windows are you looking to do?
Everything but the windshield?
Okay. And were you looking to block out heat, or what were you like? What was your goal? Were you trying to just get a color change, or?
Mainly for privacy.
Mainly for privacy. Okay, so we have 3 tiers of film. Standard premium film so it sounds like you want to do all the side windows in the back, right? So we have 3 tiers. Our standard base tier is going to be $575 for side windows in the back.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you wanted to do a ceramic film, it's $720 for side windows in the back. And for the Model 3, we do the back windshield in one piece.
Mm-hmm.
It comes with a lifetime warranty for like bubbling, peeling, discoloration, delamination, any type of adhesive failure.
Mm-hmm.
And we all cut film underneath the door panels, shade up against the edges of the glass, all that stuff, all the same price.
It seems I called 2 other shops, and it seems like all of you guys are really close in price. What makes you guys different primarily?
Our install is really, really specific. We've probably worked on thousands of Model 3s in the past. We were one of the only shops in the Bay that could do the back windshield in one piece when it first came out.
Uh-huh.
Everything before that was like partial. All of our guys are certified in every single film that we carry. We only carry top tier film in every single one of the brands.
Mm-hmm.
We have a team of guys that does for 30 years. We have over like 1,500 reviews. Mostly all 5 stars, mostly all 5 stars.
Mm-hmm.
And then really comes to install quality. Our installs are really good. So we have that lifetime warranty, like I mentioned, bubbling, peeling, discoloration, lamination, any type of adhesive failures, and then we extend that to include our workmanship too. So if anything happens to the film, whether it be the material or how we install it, we cover it.
Awesome. And what type of film do you use?
We have Solar Guard Vortex IR, Lumer IRX, 3M crystalline, and acrylic, so tons of stuff. Do you want me to send you over a proposal?
That's okay. I'm going to call a couple places. I'll probably give you a call back.
Yeah, I highly recommend swinging by the shop too, because when you're just calling around, you don't get a good idea of what the quality of the installs are. Like, unfortunately, to say we fix a lot of other people's channels every week. So you want to be sure that what you're getting is, and it's a reputable shop, and all that stuff. And we've been around. We're probably one of the oldest tint shops in San Jose. So you can take a look at our installs. You're welcome to come by. Okay?
I love that. I think I'll do that. Thank you.
Call here. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks.
Dude, what's up with this phone?
What was that at the end there?
So it was by far the best, right?
Yeah.
She actually educated. It wasn't perfect by any means, but it's like the bar set so low that everything is recalibrated. She was on speaker. You could tell she was walking around. She's busy. I get it. Not everyone has the resources to have someone sitting down at a desk and not be on speaker. But, at the end there, some other call was coming in. She talked to another guy while being on the phone with me. What she did well, her tonality was good. She educated me on the different films. She gave me 3 prices. She skipped over her words a little bit. Like, she's like, most of our reviews are 5-star. They're all 5-star. They're mostly 5-star. It's like, okay. So, you could just tell that there's a lack of training. She did her best, and I commend her on that. But there's a lack of training, meaning these people seem as if I'm their first time ever calling, and I know they take calls every day. It's just people not taking this part of the business seriously. So many of you guys think that the install is the most important part, but you don't get to do the install if you don't get through the sales call. So really, this is my first impression when I'm calling these companies. And like she said, I don't get the full experience by not being on the phone, and I do honestly think that going down to the shop would give me a better experience. What you have to realize is talking to people on the phone is their first experience. We go from seeing the reviews, which is why they dial, and then the dial from there is everything. Meaning how you sound on the phone. Are you sitting down? Are you paying attention? Are you taking it seriously? Are you educated? Are you prepared to ask for the sale? Do you know what makes your shop different? Or if you're working for a company, have you asked, what would you like me to say when a customer says that we're too high? What would you like me to say when a customer says, wow, you guys are so inexpensive? What would you like me to say when a customer says, why should I choose you? Like, these things should be trained on and roll right off your tongue. Geez, why are you guys so expensive? I'll say this. What I can tell you is this. Most people choose us because of our 100% money back guarantee. And that guarantee says that if you're not happy with the workmanship or the service, you simply don't pay. So although we are a couple dollars more, we're guaranteed that you're only going to leave our shop one of two ways. Either totally satisfied or not paying at all. How's that sound? Okay, now at my other shop, we guarantee to price match anyone. How could you afford to do that? Do you guys use a cheap film? No, we use a lifetime warranty film that's good anywhere in the United States, and we use only the highest grade Lumar film. Now, I'm able to do that because we're only open at night. So we open at 5 p.m., we close at 8 a.m. And what that does is it allows me to keep my day job. Therefore, I don't really need the money. So I can undercut everyone else and pass the savings on to you while still giving you a high quality job with a high quality product. How's that sound? Okay, so I know exactly what makes each of my shops different, and I'm ready to overcome whatever objection they have. You guys, at the end of the day, we only have about 3 to 4 objections that every customer is going to give you. I want to call around and get more prices. You're too much, you're too cheap. I got to talk to my wife. I don't have the car yet. Like, there's only a few objections that there are. So it's not hard to train. It's not like you have to train for 1,000 different things people are going to say. Most people are going to say, I'm going to keep calling around. At that point, you can easily ask. If you don't mind me asking, what is it that you're looking for? Are you looking for the cheapest thing possible, or do you want a product that's going to last the life of the car? And get to know exactly what they're looking for and be confident in what you're asking and what you're saying.